Hi, my name is Scott Scribner and welcome to another NASE Minute. Today I want to offer 5 handy packing tips for a residential or commercial move. For the ill-prepared, packing can be the most stressful aspect of a move, and a little planning can work wonders. First, label boxes by its contents and where each box is going. This allows you to efficiently unload a moving truck and find the most essential items first. Pack items for immediate use towards the top of a box and label the box as urgent. Second, buy plenty of packing tape in order to securely seal the top and bottom of every box. One roll of tape should cover 15 to 20 boxes. Third, consider plastic bins instead of cardboard boxes. It's easier to view the contents and offers a more environmentally friendly move. Also, packing electronics such as televisions and monitors in their original boxes if possible. Fourth, wrap fragile items in bubble wrap or newspaper, but keep in mind that newsprint can come off on dishes and furniture. Pack clothes in a wardrobe box, which allows you to hang approximately 2 feet of your closet per box. Finally, to help the environment and save a little money, check places like Facebook and your local grocery store for free boxes. Well, that's it for now. If you'd like to know more about this topic or the many benefits of becoming an NASE member, please bookmark our website, nase.org. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing with you again soon.